Okay, this is Eric Zelaya, and he's 10 years old. And we got the Rubik's Cube here that he's going to solve for us. Show us how, if you were cheating. I want to see. I want to turn it around. Okay, so it should take him about a minute and a half to solve it or less. So ready, set, go. And when I mean solve, it's all 6 sides.
Wait, there's 6 sides on it? 6 sides on it?
Uh-huh.
I thought there was like 4 or 5 or something. Okay. Okay, solve it. Hurry up. Oh my god. When are you gonna solve it?
Just if I go, so I can concentrate. Messed up.
The heck, man, you messed up?
You're almost barely, you're barely finished.
Ooh, almost done.
2 sides done.
2 sides are done?
3 sides have been done.
Wow, good job, kid. What the heck, man? How old are you?
10,
10, what year were you born?
2005.
I don't know.
Okay, sounds good.